use any kind of ground beef that you want. You can also do any kind of ground meat, really at all. But it's kind of supposed to be a copycat of like a Salisbury steak. And what I typically do is just, you can either buy pre-formed hamburger patties, or you can just get the whole ground beef and make it yourself, make the patties yourself. Okay, and that's what I did. And so I'm just salt and pepper them, form the patties, put it in a skillet, salt and pepper it. You put really any seasoning you want in it. You can also put the seasoning inside the burger, you know, where you kind of mix it up inside, but I'm going to put it on the outside, it's fine. And I'm adding a little bit of onion powder. You can put onion in it. You can caramelize, you know, whatever. This is like bare bones. We are broke, we need, you know, food, and it's just something filling that'll work. Let me get a spatula. And so it's basically patties and gravy, or, you know, like Salisbury steak on a budget. It is not the true Salisbury steak with breadcrumbs and this and this and this and this in it. It's just hamburger patties in gravy, and then you'll have a little bit extra gravy to put over some mashed potatoes or rice if you want to do rice. So it's kind of a budget meal. And the gravy that I'm going to use today is this gravy right here. It's you get it from Walmart. It's canned gravy. You can get the jarred gravy, or you can even get the packets. I've done the packets. If you do the packets, you need to mix that up first and then pour it over the patties, and then let it cook at the end, and I'll show you all that. I'll show you how I let the gravy, you know, I put it on the patties and let it kind of simmer at the end. But first, let's get these patties cooked up real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, my burgers or hamburger patties are already done. So what you need to do is you need to drain the grease off of them, because you're going to put them back in the pan. And they pretty much need to be cooked all the way through. It's okay if they're maybe a little bit pink on the inside, but all this is going to do is just simmer and kind of meld the flavors all together, sort of. Okay. And you'll take your gravy and you put it all over it. This is the beef gravy, canned beef gravy. You can make homemade, or you can get the jarred, or you can get the packets and make your own. Just with the packets, you need to go ahead and make it up.
You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah, yeah. Listen to the
Go ahead and cut it on the simmer like a 2 or a 3, like less than medium, like a low simmer.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along.
So they gotta have enough gravy for that too. And that's it. That's it, y'all. It's real simple. It's literally hamburger meat and gravy. Like I said, you can add minced onion into the meat. You can add those French onion, Lipton French onion soup packets. You can do that. I have a whole nother recipe I make with that in it, so I didn't want to. I typically don't put that in this, but you could. You can make it like a meatloaf type patty, only without the ketchup. You can do that. So just whatever you want to do. But this is really supposed to be bare bones, basic, budget, friendly recipe. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.